Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm in the middle of Hanoi, Vietnam. Right now we are at the circle over here, which is in the old quarter. It's very famous. This is right next to the Ho Hoan Kiem lake over here, where you can get all the buses and stuff over here. And this area is really beautiful. So I'm just going to take you around that circle over here and just show you what it's like. It's really beautiful. You have to check out this place, guys. So keep watching. This is one of the most iconic buildings over here, where you have all this different restaurants, bars, coffee shops, and over here we have the different cafes again, and over here we have more cafes. So something which is really famous here is coffee. So they have all these coffee shops and coffee houses at the circle over here. So right now I'm standing at the circle. So let's just look. This is a fountain over here, and at the fountain is this beautiful circle. So it's the hustle and bustle of the city is right here. So if you go around here, it's very beautiful. This is where all the city bus tours start, and they have a night tour as well. So if you want to do a night tour, you can do one from here. And that's the beautiful Ho Hoan Kiem lake right now over here in the middle of the evening. So right now it's around 6:30. So the best time to be here is about 6:37, where you can see all the hustle and bustle and you can see the city. It's very beautiful. So definitely something you want to check out over here. Very beautiful. So guys, thank you for watching my video. Please do like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be bringing you lots of other videos like this from all over the world. Please do like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.